How to sign in to Plex application on your Android or iOS device. Hi there, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we are learning how you can easily log in or sign in to Plex application using your smartphone or your tablets. So let's get started. First things first, launch open Plex application from your device. If you don't have the application yet, you can download it from your Google Play Store or your App Store and launch it open. The welcome screen of Plex will look like this. To sign into your existing Plex account, go ahead and tap on the sign in button at the bottom of the screen. This will now take you to the sign in area where you can easily choose one of the sign in options to log into Plex. You can tap on continue with Google, Apple or the email option. Make sure to select the same sign-in method that you previously used while creating Plex account. I'm gonna tap on continue with email. Go ahead and enter your email address and then your password in the respective text box. If you don't remember your password, you can click on the forgot button and follow through the password reset process. After entering your credential, click sign in. And there you have successfully logged in or signed into your Plex application. Once signed in, you'll see your Plex library with all your media content. You can now browse, stream and enjoy movies, shows directly from your device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.